Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I will give you more information about the top 5 best portable workbenches that are available on the market. Actually, I try to make popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinion and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link description section below. Don't forget subscribe this channel for view future videos. Let's start this videos. Starting at number 5, we have Worx Pegasus Folding Work Table and Sawhorse. With its lightweight adjustability for various applications and sturdy build, the Pegasus from Worx is an excellent option for DIYers with space limitations or a pro working at a remote job site. This workbench, made of high-grade plastic with lockable legs, can support up to 300 pounds when in work table mode. A set of quick clamps and holding clamps that work with 2 T-strips integrated into the benchtop provide ample clamping power for large dimensional lumber. True to its name, the Pegasus can fold its wings down, allowing it to morph into a sawhorse that can hold up to 1,000 pounds. The underside of this workbench features a small storage area for supplies or a power strip. Moving on at number 4, we have Black & Decker Workmate Portable Workbench. The Black & Decker Workmate has provided a mobile work surface for weekend warriors and pros alike since its debut in the 1970s. Much of its design remains the same today. The Workmate retains its classic foldable metal frame and wide-set legs, which create a rock-solid base. The hardwood work surface doubles as a sizable and versatile vise capable of gripping large pieces. With its rotating pegs and dual handle controls, the vise can be angled to grip irregular-shaped objects. The Workmate's benchtop features 2 height positions to suit a variety of projects. Its sturdy, heavy-gauge steel frame gives it a maximum capacity of 350 pounds, while rubber feet keep this workbench firmly in place. At number 3, we have Ketter Folding Table Workbench. For heavy-duty jobs, a workbench that can endure the rigors of a pro job site while still being lightweight enough to transport is a must. This portable workbench from Ketter weighs just 27 pounds, yet it boasts an impressive 1,000 pound weight capacity, making it an excellent option for professional job sites. This formidable workbench features heavy-duty resin construction and aluminum legs that provide plenty of strength. 2 12-inch clamps secure material to the workbench, which features an ample worktop of 33 inches by 22 inches. When the job is complete, it folds into a 4.5-inch thick flat suitcase shape, complete with an ergonomic handle for easy transport. At number 2, we have Worx WX065 Clamping Sawhorses. Is the sawhorse turned workbench idea that they've talked quite a lot about so far actually the most appealing to you, but you're tempted to buy 2 of them since you use sawhorses quite often? Well, thanks to this design from Worx, you won't actually have to do that. Instead, check out the way this package features a double sawhorse feature that, with the addition of a separate piece end top, turns into a workbench easy, clicking into place over both peaked pieces underneath. When everything is clipped into place, and the included clamps are put to good use, this thermoplastic polymer material can bear up to 1,000 pounds, just like the resin design. And finally at number 1, Worx WX066 Sidekick Portable Work Table. Are you much less concerned with the ability to turn your workbench into a sawhorse, and instead, you're looking for simply an additional surface that you can use in your handiwork projects and move around as you need? Then we think this design from Worx might be a little more beneficial for you. This table has several desirable features that make it unique. Firstly, the feet of its metal legs each have their own silicone covers to prevent slipping as you work. When you want to store the piece, the tabletop turns into a carrying case that the rest of the table folds and collapses down into. Finally, the pack this table as a part of features 4 sturdy clamps.